The primer bulb is attached to the engine's air filter base. When the rubber bulb is pressed, it pushes pressurized air into the carburetor bowl. The air pressure in the bowl pushes fuel into the carburetor's venturi, making it easier to start a cold engine. Over time, the rubber primer bulb will harden and crack. When this happens, the bulb can't pressurize the air and send it to the carb. Replacing the primer bulb is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter cover, along with the air filter. With the cover removed, I have access to the screws that secure the primer base. I'll go ahead and remove those. The primer bulb is secured to the base with a plastic clip. I'll use a couple of screwdrivers to release the clip. Now I can install the new primer bulb. I'll install the clip so the ears are facing out. I'll align the ears with the openings on either side of the base and use a screwdriver to snap them into place. Now I'll reinstall the base. Connect the throttle linkage. I'll make sure that I reinstall the breather tube to the back of the base and align the base with the carburetor. I'll secure it with the screws. And now I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the motor cover. And that's all it takes to replace the primer bulb on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.